Okay, so this is a different thumb drive, and I re-downloaded the image from bandshed.net and burned it onto the thumb drive. So we have a few options here. This one, I believe this is the one that has persistence. If I hit F5, these are the options: persistent all, persistent root, all of these. I don't know. I don't think that matters unless you're going to be moving the thumb drive between different devices, different computers. I don't think it matters if you're just going to open this to install it. And that's what I want to do. So persistence is off. I gotta hit exit. And the video, that's nothing. That's just gives you the size. Boot from hard disk. Click there. Then we have the Grub bootloader. See what the options are there. Oop. Okay, it says advanced options. I will try advanced options, see what we get. Console. If I go to the boot options, I think it's going to take me in circles. Let's see. That's what we get. Let's say we want a USB finish booting from live USB. Or finish booting from hard drive. From all, finish booting from USB or hard drive. Check S. I check integrity of the live media. It always says that it's okay, regardless which drive I'm using. I think there's a password stuck in there somehow. Or this just don't like my computer. I'm not sure. We'll hit check that, see what that does. Sending me in circles. Finish booting from live USB. That's not working. Go back to the main menu. What if I disable the Grub theme? What does that do? Rescue boot menus. The Frugal menus. Searching for Frugal menu. No Frugals found. Back to main menu. I just want to open it up and install it. Right there. And we always end up right there. You can still see the thumb drive up there on top of the computer flashing. And the screen always ends up black. Doesn't matter how many times I download it or install it, or it always ends up here. Doesn't seem to matter what I do, how many times I download it and burn it on new thumb drives. I ordered a brand new scan disc. It'll be here tomorrow. Might give that a try. I don't know.